In just 13 months, gold has surged by 42%, an unprecedented rise in normal times. Gold is rising for four big reasons. Gold acts as a geopolitical hedge. With wars, global tensions, and alliances becoming unpredictable, investors and central banks are turning to gold as a safe haven. The US and NATO froze Russia's assets as part of sanctions following the country's invasion of Ukraine. And that's got countries like China, Turkey worried. They don't want to see their central bank assets get frozen. And this uncertainty is leading to the second reason. Central banks worldwide are becoming the biggest contributor to gold's demand. They've bought more than 1,000 tons of gold for the third straight year in 2024, the highest level seen in decades. The RBI has increased its gold reserves to 11.3% of its total reserves, up from 7.7% just a year ago, marking one of the fastest increases in recent years. The third reason is that gold serves as an inflation hedge. If inflation rises, gold's price tends to rise too, making it a trusted way to protect your money from losing value. The fourth is gold acts as a hedge against the weakening of dollar. If the dollar's value drops, investors prefer converting their money into gold rather than holding onto cash, driving gold's demand and prices higher. While the dollar has weakened slightly since Trump's return, the uncertainty around global currencies is making gold a safer bet.
Investments in debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments are subject to risk, including delay and/or default in payment. Read all the offer-related documents carefully.